For nearly 8 months now, so many have made tremendous sacrifices in how they work, how they educate their children, and how they live. So much of what was once an oddity, like mask wearing, is now a new normal. Today, the mayor of what was once the epicenter of a global pandemic asks for another sacrifice.
I want to recommend to all New Yorkers, it's not business as usual. I hate to say it, but I have to urge all New Yorkers, do not travel out of state for the holidays. Do not travel to a state with a high infection rate. Do not travel to a country with a high infection rate. Realize that by doing that, unfortunately, you could be putting yourself and your family in danger, and also the risk of bringing the disease back here.
Ultimately, Mayor de Blasio says he recognizes people will make their own decisions, but he's also urging the federal government to step in, asking for stricter travel mandates.
This is so smart for everyone who travels, to protect each other as travelers. It's so smart to reduce the potential to spread a disease from place to place.
The mayor wants a mandate for all domestic and international travelers to test negative for COVID-19 before boarding a flight. He's also pushing for all arriving passengers to test at JFK and LaGuardia, a program already underway.
It's really important that we get tested before going home, because not only does it stop the spread of us going there, but if some people are coming back, I think it's really important that they get tested before they come back as well.
The SUNY system is also implementing some new policies in anticipation of the upcoming season, now requiring its student body to test negative before traveling back to their home states for the holidays.
We need to make sure that we're a partner in helping to prevent community spread. We don't want to have the great advances that we've made to keep the pandemic at bay.
Back in New York City, daily indicators remain mostly steady, though this number showing daily percentage of those testing positive for COVID-19 at 2.48%. That is a concerning rise. Those rates statewide in red zone areas only are 3.65%, excluding color-coded zones a little over 1.5%. Governor Cuomo now adding California to our travel advisory list. And if you're keeping count, that's 45 states and territories. Last week, we told you about non-essential travel discouraged to and from New Jersey, Connecticut, and Pennsylvania. Well, now we've got Massachusetts added to that list as well. From Midtown, Narmeen Chaudhry, Pix 11 News.